So we've looked at working out volume by counting cubes, but the easiest way of working out volume is by using a formula. And when we're looking at the volume of a cuboid, the formula is very straightforward. So think about the properties of your cuboids from when we were doing 3D objects. It's got a length, it's got a breadth, and it's got a height, which you can see are shown in the diagram of the cuboid here. So to find the volume of a cuboid, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the length times the breadth and the height all together. So think about your cuboid. It's got a rectangle as the base. So when we multiply the length times the breadth, we're going to get the area of the bottom. And then imagine that you've got that area in sheets all the way up the height. They're all exactly identical. So by multiplying it by the height as well, we get how much space there is inside that cuboid. So the formula can be written as volume equals length times breadth times height, or it can be written as V equals L times B times H. So you're using the first letter of each of those words so that you're not having to write as much. As you go further up the school, you might see it written as V equals LBH because we don't really use multiplication signs when we're doing algebra. But for today, I would recommend that you opt for V equals L times B times H. So, the example, we're going to find the volume of this cuboid. We can see that it's got a length of 10 centimeters. So that's our L. It's got a breadth of 5 centimeters, so that's going to be our B. And it's got a height of 2 centimeters, and that's going to be our H. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write V equals L times B times H, because that's our formula. And then we're going to substitute the numbers in. So we're going to do 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Now again, you can use a calculator or you can work left to right because it's all multiplication, so we don't need to think about BODMAS. And 10 times 5 gives us 50, and 50 times 2 gives us 100. Now remember, with all measurement things, we need to have units on our answer. And you can see in the picture, all of the dimensions are centimeters. So our unit is going to be cubic centimeters or centimeters cubed to give us our final answer. So the volume of this cuboid is 100 centimeters cubed.